In front of me is Honor 9, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to 1 hour. First of all, go into Play Store and download this app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, open it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Click on Timeout and tap on 1 hour at the bottom of the list. Then you can close your app and go into Tab menu. Following that, use this edit icon at the top right corner. Select Edit Shortcut Switch. Scroll down to Unused Shortcuts, find your new one and drag it to the current ones. Place it wherever you want to, and when you're ready, let go. To save it, hit Done at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. Then click on your new shortcut. As you can see, after that, 1 hour sleep time is on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!